In the same year, Philippine has left for Addis Ababa for the endorsement of the missionary work. In the same year, Philippine, Palwal, and Tanvento planned to leave for guide for Wanka village. Using airplane and medical service were provided, and some among the first converted were village. Using was first transported to Addis Ababa for baptism. For example, in 1975, Bekele Haley, the Ethiopian president, the Ethiopian ambassador president, transferred to Addis Ababa, the Ethiopian Union president from the 1975 up to the 1980, and visited a new convent due to the lack of the water in Wanka, and the center was relocated into Luel. In the name of the church development project, elders, that is, there were 24 elders have been agreed and unconditionally offered their farm. On the 21 and the 22 of the March 1981, considerable number of the candidates were attending the baptismal class for the couple of a year and were baptized by Pastor Natalim Lincha and Pakadu Ulana from the Western Ethiopian field, and they were added to the church number. A decade after the establishment of the church in the Luel, the church number was almost 4,399, and the school members were 4,191. The number of the church were 10 and 8 company. It has 17 lay workers who evangelize so many areas. However, the movement and the church host and audit the number of 10,659 by the year then. There are about 37 churches and 7 companies. The work of the God in this district was run by the 6 ordained pastors, as it was mentioned before, 2 evangelists and the 2 global mission pioneers. Gambela SDA announced the Gambela SDA annual report 2017 earliest following this year. Amid successful development, mounting to the problem and Eden and the progress, example, the church has lost some of its leaders, led Father Pan, Panam, led Evangelist Garwit Worm. The other challenge were threatened of all well-trained personnel, clan dispute, ethnic tension and history, and the geographical location, cultural norm. To mention few, most 38 years, the Gambela district was under the supervision of the following areas. First, the Ethiopian Union Mission has nurtured the pioneer for 4 years in 1968 and 1970. The pioneer were handed to the Central Ethiopian Film for 9 years. That is 1971 up to 1979, when Gambela Church was recognized as a district. It was planned under the West Ethiopian Film for 33 years, and that is in 1980 up to 2013. It was transferred today to the Southwest Ethiopian Field for 4 years, that is beginning from the 2014 up to 2017. Thanks to all this institution for their cooperation and successful of the gospel mission in Gambela region. The state and the movement, God has done a bold plan to make Gambela and the field so that the gospel message will go and come and corner to reach all the corners of the Gambela region. May I thank again all the audience, the President of the ECD, who is yourself and his officer, the Ethiopian Union Mission President, together with the officer. May I thank my mother field, Southwest Ethiopian field, that is now under the leadership of the one, his name was mentioned before, brothers Pastor College, together with brothers along with him. May I thank all the church members after hearing this history. May God bless all of you. May God be with you all.